Hey there, little scientists. Ready for an awesome adventure into the world of microscopes? We're going to travel back in time, way, way back, and see how microscopes evolved from ancient times to now. It's like a magical journey filled with tiny wonders. Join us as we explore the cool story of the microscope, the tool that helps us see super tiny things. Get ready for fun and discovery, just for curious minds like yours. Ancient Egypt held fascinating secrets. In the 5th century BC, Egyptians had a brilliant idea to magnify tiny things using magical crystals, akin to fairy tales. Their creation, the Nimrud lens, worked like a super ancient magnifying glass, making small stuff appear huge. Picture tiny bugs becoming giants. Those clever Egyptians initiated the magical journey of magnification, setting the stage for us to see the world in a whole new way. Meet Friar Roger Bacon, the cool English thinker. Back in the day, he wrote about a fantastic idea. Imagine having special glasses that make everything look closer. Roger thought about using lenses to magnify things, like making tiny bugs or flowers look super big. He was like a wizard of lenses, dreaming up ways to see the world in a whole new way. Thanks to him, people started thinking about glasses that could make everything look more exciting. In the year 1590, the creative genius Zacharias Jansen, a Dutch spectacle maker, took us on a journey into the microscopic world by crafting the very first compound microscope. Picture a time when curiosity met craftsmanship, and Zacharias's invention became a window to explore tiny wonders. Join us as we step back in history to applaud the ingenuity of Zacharias Jansen, forever changing the way we see the world through his pioneering compound microscope. Say hi to Antony van Leeuwenhoek, the awesome Dutch scientist. He didn't just stop at regular magnifying, he made it even better. With his cool improvements, he peeked into tiny worlds using a super-duper microscope. Antony discovered tiny creatures like little superheroes. It was like meeting microscopic friends. His discoveries helped scientists learn lots about tiny living things, making Antony a hero in the world of tiny adventures and microbiology. Thanks, Antony, for making our world of small things super interesting. In 1665, a guy named Robert Hooke, who was from England, discovered something cool. He used a special microscope and found tiny building blocks called cells. It was like finding a tiny city inside everything. This discovery was a big deal for biology, like a map helping scientists explore new things. Because of Hooke, we now know about these tiny cells that do amazing stuff. Robert Hooke, the microscope superhero, made biology more fun for everyone. In the early 1700s, meet Joseph Jackson Lister and his buddies. They did something awesome, created special lenses for microscopes that work like magic. These lenses, called achromatic lenses, make pictures super clear and amazing. It's like scientists got superhero glasses. Because of them, looking at tiny things became even more fun, and scientists could see details better. Hooray for Joseph and friends, the superheroes who made microscope pictures awesome. In the late 1700s, the Industrial Revolution helped make lots of microscopes. Now, more people could get their hands on them. Say hi to the amazing microscope team of Carl Zeiss and Ernst Abbe from the 1830s. They produced a super compound microscope with binocular eyepieces, an elegant instrument that gives everything a clear, attractive appearance. They have greatly improved scientists' ability to view microscopic objects. Cheers to Carl and Ernst, the men who turned microscopes into marvels and enabled us to delve deeper into the world of microbes. In the 1850s, clever scientists worked on making microscopes even cooler. They added special designs to the lenses and made the lights super bright. It's like giving microscopes superhero upgrades. Thanks to these smart scientists, looking at tiny things got way better. Hooray for the 1850s scientists, they made microscopes awesome and helped us discover more about the tiny wonders around us. Picture the 1930s, a time of super discoveries. Max Knoll and Ernst Ruska invented something mind-blowing, the electron microscope. It's like a superhero microscope using tiny electrons to see things. With this magic, scientists can zoom in even closer, like having a microscope with superhero vision. Thanks to Max and Ernst, our world of tiny wonders got a lot more exciting. Hooray for the electron microscope and the awesome scientists who made it. In the 1950s, scientists did something super cool. They made special ways to use microscopes called transmission electron microscopy, TEM, and scanning electron microscopy, SEM. It's like giving microscopes magical eyes. With these new tricks, scientists can see things in tiny detail. Hooray for the 1950s scientists, they made microscopes even more amazing and helped us explore the world of tiny wonders. In 1981, two super smart scientists, Gerd Binnig and Heinrich Rohrer, made something incredible, the scanning tunneling microscope, STM. It's like a magical microscope that can see atoms, the tiniest things ever. Thanks to Gerd and Heinrich, scientists can now explore the world at the atomic level, like tiny explorers on a super cool adventure. Hooray for the STM and the awesome scientists who made it happen. In 1986, some super smart friends, Binnig, Quate, and Gerber, made something amazing called the Atomic Force Microscope, AFM. It's like a superhero microscope for really, really tiny things. With the AFM, scientists can see and explore the teeny-tiny world of atoms and molecules. Thanks to these clever scientists, our microscopic adventures got even more exciting. Hooray for the AFM and the awesome friends who made it possible. In the 21st century, scientists play the role of magical inventors, constantly improving microscopes with super-smart computer tricks, digital imaging, and amazing materials. This transforms microscopes into powerful tools, akin to superhero upgrades, allowing scientists to explore the tiny world in fantastic ways. Hooray for these 21st century scientists, making microscopes super fantastic and helping us discover more about the world of tiny wonders. In the world of microscopes, special tricks like STED, stimulated emission depletion, and POM act as superhero eyes, enabling scientists to see even tinier things and explore the microscopic realm in Ultra HD, discovering hidden details and making the tiny world even more amazing. Hooray for these awesome tricks and the scientists behind the superhero awesome microscopes. Wow, little scientists, we had so much fun exploring the microscope's amazing journey together. If you loved learning about tiny wonders, give us a thumbs up. Want more exciting adventures and cool facts? Don't forget to hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let's discover more incredible things together. Thanks for joining the fun, and see you in the next adventure.